Hi students, today we are going to study a very interesting concept in fractions, and which is that tell me which is bigger, 1 upon 8 is bigger or 3 upon 8 is bigger. Now you can easily tell me that 3 upon 8 is bigger than 1 upon 8. Why? Because their denominators are same. So if the denominators are same, then bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. So in this case, 3 upon 8 is bigger than 1 upon 8. But if I ask you, tell me which is bigger, 2 upon 8 or 3 upon 16. Now, if you say that bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction, then you are wrong because the denominators are different. So how should we find which is a bigger fraction? The simplest way is to keep their denominators same. Now, if I have to convert the denominators into a same number, what should I do? I take the LCM of the denominator, the least common multiple of 8 and 16. Now, I'm sure you will say the LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. So I am going to convert both the denominators on 16. Now, 8 into 2 is 16. I'll have to multiply numerator also with 2. So this becomes 4 upon 16. 2 upon 8 is same as 4 upon 16. And the second one is already on the denominator 16. So the numerator will remain same. Now I can very easily tell that 4 upon 16 is greater than 3 upon 16. Why? Because their denominators are same. And how do we find that common denominator? The least common multiple of both denominators. So let's do one question and find out if there are 3 fractions, which is a bigger fraction. Now, important thing to check is that all the 3 fractions have different denominator. This is 8, second one is 16, and the third one is 12. What should I do? I'll put all of them on the common denominator. And what is the common denominator? The LCM of 8, 16, and 12. Which I'm sure you can say that this is 48. Now, if I have to put the first fraction on the denominator 48, I'll have to multiply the denominator with 6. And if I'm multiplying denominator with 6, I'll have to multiply numerator also by 6. So the numerator becomes 30 upon 48 is the fraction. Second one, I have to make the denominator 48. How will I make the denominator 48? By multiplying 3 in the denominator, so 3 in the numerator. So this becomes 48. This becomes, keep the sign along, 13 3s are 39. And the last one, if I have to make the denominator 48, then how much should I multiply in the denominator? 4 times. So I'll have to multiply numerator also 4 times. So this becomes minus 28. Now all 3 fractions on the same denominator, the bigger the numerator, bigger is the fraction. So now I can very easily see that this is 30, which is the biggest number, followed by minus 28. And the last one, the smallest, will be minus 39. If I just plot it on the number line, 30 is on the right-hand side because this is plus 30. This will be minus 28 and minus 39 will be the smallest number, this being the 0. I hope you can plot this on the number line. So I can very easily see that 5 upon 8 is greater than minus 7 upon 12, and this is greater than minus 13 upon 16. This is how we can put it in the descending order, which means from big to small. I hope you have understood. Just to revise, if the denominators are different, you have to bring the denominators as a common denominator. And for a common denominator, you have to find the least common multiple of all the denominators. I hope you have understood. See you in the next one.